True's glass door merchandisers are the industry leader for brilliant food and beverage displays. All GDMs feature R290 hydrocarbon refrigerant, providing an environmentally friendly refrigeration system with shorter compressor run times, lower energy consumption, and the industry's coldest holding temperatures. GDMs come in 1, 2, and 3 section units with either swing or slide self-closing doors. All doors are made of low-E double-pane thermal insulated glass and are equipped with high illumination LEDs to enhance the lighting and brilliance of the product. GDMs have a non-peeler chip laminated vinyl exterior. True's state-of-the-art powder coating, available on several models, provides an expanded range of color options for unmatched customization. Our in-house graphics capabilities allows each unit to be customized, with sign panel and cabinet end decals for unique brand awareness. GDMs feature a bottom-mount compressor, allowing for more efficient, ergonomic loading and unloading, exterior top-of-unit dry storage, as well as ease of service and maintenance. The interior features an attractive NSF-approved white-coated aluminum liner with stainless steel floor with cove corners, allowing for ease of cleaning. Units come standard with adjustable heavy-duty PVC-coated wire shelves, which provide multiple levels of food storage per door. GDMs come standard with a 3-year parts and labor warranty, with an additional 2-year parts warranty on the compressor. True's commitment to using the highest quality materials, engineered with balanced, fully self-contained refrigeration systems, provide colder product temperatures, lower utility costs, exceptional food safety, and the best value in today's food service marketplace. True's GDM refrigerators.